Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Guys, I unfortunately come to you with nothing but sad and devastating news because Mampintsha's mother Zamanguni Gumede has sadly passed away. It has been barely a month after her famous son's death on Mampintsha. Mampintsha's mother, Zamanguni Gumede, died after a short illness. She died at the age of 64 years old on Sunday night at Wentworth Hospital. Now, the news of her sudden death was confirmed to Daily Sun by Mampintsha's sister, Pinky Gumede. She said she had visited her mother during the day. Pinky Gumede told this to the publication, and I quote, "When I left her, she seemed to be fine. She was even telling us jokes, and we were all laughing. So when I left her, she was in high spirits, and I really thought she was getting better. I was about to sleep when I received a call from the hospital. I was told to rush to her bedside because she wanted to see us. When I got there, she was already in drips. She was surrounded by doctors and nurses trying to assist her. I am definitely not coping. It's a dull sort for me. I lost two important people within a space of 3 weeks. But what makes things even harder is that we were not financially prepared for this. As far as policies are concerned, Mampintsha took care of everything. We were still trying to get things in order, but I guess the time was not on our side. You guys, Mampintsha's mother has been ill for some time. When Mampintsha passed away, she became worse. She could not walk by herself, and as a result, she had to be physically carried. A few days after Mampintsha's funeral, she was admitted to Wentworth Hospital. Whew, guys, may Mampintsha's mother's soul rest in peace. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video because I will definitely see you on my next one. Bye.